So I'm back at my stakeout this morning. It's Monday, the 14th of September. I'm at my perch across the street. And a little tired. I went to a couple of pre-tech parties last night this morning, but got up, starting the newspaper stakeout again. And I have to look at some strategy. I actually have today's newspaper in my hand. What I did was I put an old newspaper in the newspaper bag with a little note. So I'm going to sit here for a while and actually test it. It's a gray morning. Truman is less than pleased with having to just wait here. But at least the steps aren't wet this morning. The newspaper this morning, my newspaper came without a bag on it today, and they put a sticker on it. Like, that looks pretty obvious, right? So that's how you know it's not your paper, because it doesn't have your apartment number on it. Didn't have a bag on it on Saturday either. I have to let the newspaper folks know that, because it rains both days, so the paper is a little wet, which is irritating. But not nearly as irritating as not having the paper at all. So, my perch. We catch the culprit this morning.